Someone just woke up from a nap. How are you? How are you?
Great.
You're great? Oh, are you tired?
No.
No? Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
You excited? We are headed to my mom's house today. Should be a good time. She lives on a lot of land out in the country, so we're gonna let the kids run around. My sister and her boyfriend and her 2 kids are going. So they're all gonna play together and we can just let them run free because she lives like out in the country. So it should be fun. We're excited. We'll see you then. We're here. Here's Mom.
My baby. Not you.
Hi, Brittany. Isn't this pretty?
Avery.
So much land. It's a beautiful day.
It's hot. It is.
Hi, Avery.
Hey, Papa.
Look at her.
Hi, Mom.
Wow.
Hi,
Big
baby.
too. Look how big you are. I haven't seen you. You are, ain't you?
God, I haven't seen you guys since Christmas.
I know, it's been a while. It's a nice day.
I'm gonna take my glasses off.
There's Mom. Hi, Mom. There's Mace. Hi, Mason.
I'm in too.
Hi.
Hi.
How big he's getting.
Where's Wyatt?
Hello.
Wyatt. Come here.
Wyatt.
Hi, Sue.
Wyatt. Say hi to Mama.
Wyatt.
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 Say hi.
Mimo. Hi. Hi.
Avery's got a gun.
Hey, pretty girl.
Say hi.
Oh,
Oh my God.
Wyatt, this is Mommy's mommy. This is my mommy.
How are you, ma'am?
That's my mommy.
Okay.
You all
So
right?
happy to see you guys.
no, it's almost over.
I know, you're missing it.
Say hi.
She tries. Can you do it, Press? Try it.
Hi, baby. Yeah, get.
Oh, there she goes. Yeah, I'm on the couch.
Ah. Hi, baby.
Now you're seeing this thing wide open. You're seeing him throw the ball. You're seeing him spread on this on a single full complement of all the weapons we receive on Thomas Bennett with Gronkowski, Aaron Dole, Chris Hogan. He comes out here and he's like the lead receiver today. So they have so many weapons, so many things that Tom Brady has a choice over.
This one has blue eyes.
Hey.
Oh my God.
That's a puppy, Press.
You're so pretty, Joel.
You're so pretty.
She's scared of a puppy.
No, it's the owl. It's so pretty.
Hold on.
Mommy, one's behind you. Don't
Oh.
step on him.
Thank you. Look how cute they are.
Oh.
You can't see his eye. Oh.
Look at Wyatt.
I know.
When he's holding that puppy. Yeah.
Here it is.
Brent said he got it.
That's great, Wyatt.
Here it is.
Who did? The puppy?
Yeah.
Okay. That's okay.
Be easy.
Put it back in the basket, bud.
Easy. Very gently. Good job. Good job. Aww. They're so cute.
This one has blue eyes.
Big one.
It does. Let me see. Where are your blue eyes?
Our
Oh, they are.
Easy.
Drive it, Wyatt. Are you going in, Mom?
Bye-bye.
Look at that.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hi.
Don't eat mulch.
Hi. Hey. Hey.
Best-
Hey. Hey.
He didn't fix his new flush.
You're holding it.
Now he's got this black one. I seen him have it jacked up yesterday. It had a wheel just like
You're rolling. You're rolling. You're rolling. You guys will get it. You guys will get it. Go.